Today's date is March 16th, 2015. It's a videotape presentation of the 2007 Haas SL-30 CNC turning center. I'm going to go ahead and quick run it through its paces. We'll start off with the Z-axis. We'll do X. Go ahead and do the tailstock. And we'll go back. Next we'll go ahead and do a turret change. Go ahead and reverse. Next we'll go ahead and fire up the spindle. Start off at 1,000 RPMs. And we'll crank it up a little bit. About 2,000 RPMs right there. Go ahead and slowly back it off. Okay. Just a quick shot of the control here. This does have, it has auto door USB port. It does have the chip conveyor, which is here. We'll go ahead and take a walk around the back here. And we'll get the serial number here. It is 3078427, manufactured in 8 of 07. Get a shot of the inside here. It does have the 40 horsepower vector drive. Here's some of the extra tool blocks that will be coming with, along with what's currently on the turret, which we'll go ahead and zoom back in on that. There's 1, 2, 3 more. So it does have that coming with. Overall, a really nice running machine. So, and this concludes the video presentation of the 2007 Haas SL-30T.